Hello. We are Avail Logistics, an international freight forwarder located in Southern California, USA. Think of Avail as another word for help. What is an arrival notice? Have you received this document before? If this is your first time importing goods overseas, welcome on board. Understanding how to read arrival notice can help you verify if all information your freight forwarding company sends to you is correct or you are being trapped with fake information. International shipping required efficiency in timely manners. There are many parties involved in one single shipment, therefore some documents are required in order to make this process go smoothly. Arrival notice is one of the most important documents used in sea transportation. Who will send the arrival notice and to who? Arrival notice, is known as cargo arrival notice, is a document issued by carrier to notify upcoming shipment. Arrival notice can be sent by the below parties: container shipping companies or shipping lines to co-loader or freight forwarding, co-loader to freight forwarder to consignee or notify party, freight forwarder to customs broker, notify party to actual consignee. Usually, a freight forwarding will send arrival notice to customer or consignee or buyer on actual time of departure, origin port, and ask for commercial invoice and packing list for clear customs purpose. Depending how your freight forwarding company operates, arrival notice can be sent when the cargo has been loaded on the vessel from the origin port, or it can also be sent when closer to estimated time of arrival at the port of destination. Why is the arrival notice needed? Arrival notice is an important document on the logistics industry. It helps all cargo processed accurately and in a timely manner. This allows the destination consignee's agent to prepare the customs process and delivery to the final destination. There are two main roles of arrival notice at below. Billing documents from shipping lines. Notification of arrival date to all parties related. What information can you find on arrival notice? If you are an importer and just received this document from your freight forwarding, it's time for you to check some information. As we mentioned above, understanding how to read arrival notice can help you verify if all information your freight forwarding gives you is correct or you are being trapped with fake information. There are many information you can find on arrival notice, but there are three main information. Actual cargo details. You can check the actual CBM if you import under LCL, less than container load, because your shipping cost will be calculated based on total CBM. In some cases, total CBM can be different from quoting. When your cargo is shipped via LCL, less than container load, it needs to be stored at CFS warehouse at port of origin or port of loading. They will remeasure your goods dimension, total gross weight in total cartons. Remember to compare shipment details on house bill of lading and arrival notice. If you don't have house bill of lading on hand, you can ask your supplier or your freight forwarding. Shipping schedule, container number and vessel name. You may ask yourself why I have to check that information, it's so complicated. But with this information you can use it to track your cargo on sea by yourself without the help from your freight forwarding. How to use arrival notice to track your shipment. As we mentioned, all your shipment's details are included in the arrival notice. Understand this document and you can track the status of your shipment by yourself. Below are two options available to the average consumer that allow you to track your cargo from origin to destination. Container tracking services on container shipping lines websites. There are 30 largest container shipping companies in the world, and each shipping line has their own tracking website to help customers track their shipments online. To name some major steamship lines: MSC, Maersk, CMA CGM, COSCO, Hapag-Lloyd. 1. We will show you how to track your cargo on their website right now. But first let's open the arrival notice that your freight forwarder sends to you. If you don't have it on hand yet, please contact your freight forwarder. On the arrival notice you can see the master bill of lading number, right here. The first 4 digits will let you know which shipping line your cargo sail on, for example, OOLU. This means OOCL. The first 4 digits of master bill of lading number is the SCAC code, but what is a SCAC code? The standard carrier alpha code, SCAC, is a unique 2 to 4 letter code used to identify transportation companies. SCAC codes keep track of containers electronically, and international freight forwarders using SCAC code to identify the container shipping lines. You can always search for the first 4 digits of the master bill number to identify which container shipping lines you are using for your shipment. Okay, now you already know this shipment. You go with OOCL, find their website on Google, search for OOCL tracking and click on the link. Now, you have 3 options to check your container online. Choose the container number option, which is also included in the arrival notice, and input the container number here. For verification, a container number always has 4 letters and 7 digits. Right here, you can see the estimated time of delivery and estimated time of arrival. Please note that this schedule will be updated daily and will be changed without any notice. However, as this is not a live tracking system like GPS, you are left unaware of the container's location for the long time it spends between terminals, such as when in transit via rail, road or sea. Marine traffic vessel tracking. Another option is to use marine traffic for tracking vessels online. Using this website will help you have more visuals, and the good thing is it's free. Time of arrival (ETA) at ports and the location of the vessel that your container was sailing on the sea, which allows you to check the vessel estimated time of delivery (ETD) and estimated time of arrival (ETA) daily. Marine Traffic is the only ship tracking company in the world that incorporates data from the 3 major satellite providers, which combined with the largest AIS terrestrial network, allows them to calculate a vessel's ETA much more accurately. This means that it's easier for people to best understand when their shipment will be arriving. Now, how can you use the Marine Traffic Vessel Tracking website? The first step is to open the arrival notice as we discussed before in this topic. Find the vessel name right here. Search for on Google, click on this link, click agree. Now you can search for your vessel location on sea. If you feel the above methods are taking your time, then another and final alternative is to ask your freight forwarder for your cargo status. It is important to find a trustworthy shipping company that can stand by you and keep you updated with your cargo status. Please follow our Facebook page where we provide daily updates about global shipping and logistics to help you save time and money. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this video if you want us to create more content like this. Also comment below if you have any questions. Avail Logistics. Think of Avail as another word for help.